Good morning! Ayan na si Braw. Ang aga-aga niya. Unang-una siya. Tapos pala nasa loob na sila. Okay, let's go. Hi daw, may nakita siyang bata. Hi, sabi niya. See? You like it? Sasamal ka na. Ay, tambag na.
Ayun na. Nampapat naman yung niyaga. Bigyan ka.
Dad.
Sige na, sige na.
Sige na.
Ay, si Mare.
Ay, yan pala si Marin.
Muna.
Bye-bye, babe. Ay, itong
Sige na. Nandiyan Kuya Layo, Kuya Dudong mo.
Let's go, friend.
Sige, sige.
Pwede na pumasok. Ay, be, let's go, anak. Brielle! Brielle! Tingnan mo naman yung baby ko, oh. Sasamal siya. Let's go, anak. Let's go. Bye-bye, tatang. Bye-bye. Oh, tara na. Let's go inside, anak. Oh, good morning ka, no? Good morning, Good morning. Yes, Sige na, be. Oh. Oh, can I leave my trolley?
That can come
Here? Ay, thank you. Bro. Wow, Mami P, bro. Mami P ka, be? Kenny, be, wo? Open me ni Kenny, wo? See? Kami, Ken, oh. Oh, mga bigkasabong Ken. Mga bigkamay, oh. Mga bigkamay. Sabong na, anya, no? Good job.
Half day on Friday.
Then, wow, close. Good job. Sabi mo rin kayo ang malan. Okay?
so early.
Wow. Mamipe. Yan yung unang-una niya kinuha. Siguro pangarap niya maging labandera. Brielle. Oh. Mga bigkang sabunak. Oh, at saka planchadora. Pero mo retang clothes, detang malan, anak. Oh. Yan din wawash mo. Yeah. Plancha mo la rin, planchan. Be, where's the banana? Get some banana kami. Kumang banana. Oh. Yung banana. Banana. Be, banana ini. Nani ni? Nanyin. Na? Sagid. Banana. Galing. Wow. What are you making though? You're making waffles? Wow, Kuya David is making waffles, anak. And smoothie? What kind of smoothie? A banana? Be, can you give your banana to Kuya? Give the banana, anak. Biyaming banana. Biyaming sagin.
No, not one.
Not that one? Galing niya. Oh, that's a laundry soap. Ice cream ni Be, ice cream. Manya niya, no? Ice cream, oh, see? Oh, gawa ang ice cream ko. Gawa ang ice cream mo. Gawa ang ice cream. Galing, good job. Wow, ay, 2 scoops. Good job. Yay. Huh? Lakotan yung jacket mo. Hot Ken. Mami, naglaba siya at nagugas ng plato. Oh.
Go wash your hands, buddy.
Yan na. Nge. Best it properly, anak. Good job. Magwash kang dishes? Wash kang dishes? Manos kang pinggan? Yay! Oh, itang pipipiyan mo, be. Payari. Tanay. Ay, mamipiyo. Deme sabunin kay angkay. Oh, laundry. Ngek.
That's too big.
Can you open? Ken. Yan. Oh, dishwasher. May dishwasher yan, anak. Mahalan. We're going to the gym. Let's go. Gym. Let's go. We're going to the gym. Let's go. Yes, gym. Let's going high. We're going to the gym. Let's go. Bilisan mo. Oh, run. Run na ka. Be, run na. Run ka. Run. Oh, tara. Snacks na daw. Run. Be, let's go. Break time. Let's go. Run. Right out. Let's go. Let's wash our hands. And eat our snacks. Come on. Brielle, let's go. Hurry up. Hands, yeah. Wash hands. No, wash hands. Yay. How do you wash your hands? Ano mag-wash hands?
No, you're fine.
Yay.
Itong mga bata dito, nakasabayan na yung lumaki.
Yeah. Mga ka-batch niya, no?
Karamihan na lang dito ngayon, 3 years old. Going for. Okay, sige. Kain na. Ayos na. Bigay mo sa akin. Sige na. BRYCEL, ha? Thank you. Are you done? I'm gonna read the book now. Thank you.
May ano pala sila dito, no? Free food na. Pinag-anok pa naman to ng pagkain. Lagi kasi tumida lang pagkain niya eh. Nana, yakin na yun. Kaya ka pa na eh. Say kayo nina. Okay? Yeah, mag-color ka ba?
So how you went to the island? I did. Nice.
Sige na, mag-color na ka na. Wow, galing. Galing. Kapo. Lid yan, lid. Galing ng Brielle. Galing ng Brielle.
Okay, do you want to come and have choice? Go there.
Wow, wow, wow.
Oh my goodness, let me see your face. Go to mystery cars.
They put some more. Come on, baby.
Gulo mo, tang red. Good job. Pinsan. Yan. Yan. Yan ang kay Brielle. Yan ang kay Brielle. Brielle! Bel, lumog ka! Ben! Brielle! Yeah. Sige na, lumog ka. Madali. Get inside. Get inside. Wow, inside. Lumog ka. Get inside. Woo! Sige. Get inside. Yeah. Hi! Say hi to Brielle. Hi, Brielle. What's your name? See, Brielle? Yay! Good job! Oh, careful! Come on! Yoko ka! Yeah. Come on. Wow, good job. Dali. Tara na. Dali kita, mag-jump ka kita. Nye. Oh, dali. Nye. Yay! Yay! Good job! Kuya David, no? Yan yung book daw. Oh, banis. O, tara, mag-read ka ta. Ito yung kinuha niyang book. It's reading time na. Oh, come here. Come here, anak. Oh, let's read the bunny book. Let's go home na. Bye-bye. Oh, see you tomorrow na. Come on, let's go. Bye-bye. Thank you. Okay, David, let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Yes, Brielle. She's going home na. Tapos na siya. Diba? Brielle.